channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing some smoked side marker lights for my 2014 Mercedes Benz C250 Sport Sedan. If you have the pre-facelift, then these probably won't fit. If you have the facelift like I do and the side markers look like this, then it'll definitely fit. So with that being said, let's go out to the garage and get to the install. And we're back. Like I said before, we're going to be installing some smoked side marker lights on my 2014 Mercedes Benz C250 Sport Sedan, which is the facelift. And as you can tell already, I already have some on here, but these are the amber LEDs. The ones I'm going to be installing are the bright white LEDs, and the reason why I decided to upgrade to the bright white LEDs is because everything else on my car is the bright white LED, so I figured I might as well just finish off all of the LED accents in the bright white. So with that being said, let's get to the install. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is turn your tire in the opposite direction of the side that you're working on. So I'm working on the driver's side first, so I'm turning it towards the passenger side. And there's 3 taps that you're going to need to take out. So there's 1, there's 2, and then there's a 3rd one right about there. And then you're going to take those out to be able to get behind the fender to get to the side marker. Alright, so the tools you will need are a flathead. Doesn't matter what size it is, you just have to get behind the tap itself to pry it up a little bit, and then a pair of pliers to pull it loose. And then it should easily pull loose like that. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And then once those are free, you can get behind the fender and then you can access the side marker light. Now there is a clip behind there, so you have to kind of feel for it, and once you do, that easily pops away just like that. You press it away and then everything unclips just like that. And this is the back bracket right here, and these 2 hooks hook into these 2 slots right here, and then it just clips in, and then the backside clips in like that. And that's kind of it for the install. That's pretty much it, but you also do have to make sure you feed the cables through and then plug everything in, and then you are good to go. So once you get everything hooked back in, and it is a little bit of a process to get everything lined up and hooked in, but once you do, it just clips in just like that, and then you can tuck everything behind the fender and behind the fender liner, and then put the taps back in. 1, 2, and 3, and that's pretty much it. Install is the same for the other side as well. Alright, like I said, when you're working on the opposite side, you're going to turn the wheel the opposite way, and then take a pair of pliers and your flathead and pull back at everything. So that's that, and that just slides in there like that. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then you can access right behind, find that clip, pop that out, and then finish the install. Once you feed all the cables through and then plug in the LED to the stock light bulb housing, get everything clipped in, that clips right back in just like that. It's really easy, guys. This is such an easy install. And then that's pretty much it. in. So there's 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another fun, easy install for your Mercedes Benz C250. Now, like I said before, this is for the facelift, and it is vehicle specific. So if you have the pre-facelift, it's not going to fit. If you have the facelift like I do, then it definitely will. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, and don't forget to like and comment as well. I will leave a link in the description for the smoked side markers. And until next time, peace.